To resize a photo to passport size on Windows 10, you will need to use an image editing software. One of the most commonly used software for this purpose is Microsoft Paint, which comes pre-installed on Windows 10. First, open Microsoft Paint by searching for it in the Start menu. Once the application is open, click on File and then Open to select the photo you want to resize. Navigate to the location of your photo, select it, and click Open. The photo will now be displayed in the Microsoft Paint window. To resize the photo, click on the Home tab and then click on the Resize button in the image group. A new window will appear where you can enter the new dimensions of the photo. For a passport size photo, the standard dimensions are 2 by 2 inches or 600 by 600 pixels. Make sure the Maintain Aspect Ratio checkbox is checked to ensure the photo is not distorted during resizing. Enter 600 in the horizontal pixels box and 600 in the vertical pixels box. And then click OK. The photo will now be resized to passport size. You can further adjust the photo by cropping it to remove any unwanted parts. To do this, click on the Home tab and then click on the Select button in the image group. Choose the rectangular selection option and select the part of the photo you want to keep. Once you have selected the part of the photo you want to keep, click on the Home tab and then click on the Crop button in the image group. The photo will now be cropped to the selected size. Finally, to save the resized photo, click on File and then Save As. Choose a location to save the photo. Enter a file name, and select the JPEG format. Make sure the Save As type is set to JPEG and the resolution is set to 300 pixels per inch. Click Save to save the photo. Your photo is now resized to passport size and ready to be used for your passport application. Remember to check the photo requirements for your specific application to ensure the photo meets all the necessary standards.